Okay, I just blued this 1906 model. I've really scrubbed down and cleaned all the parts, and we're about to put it back together. This is the what I did with the stock. It was cracked. I epoxied it, put some little lines in it. Then I built up the front too. Super strong. And then this was cracked all over. So this little piece was the C. Put some dowels in it, epoxied it. And then the cross piece, I don't know if you can see it, but I got 2 screws that go across. And it's super strong now. This is the original 1906 stock. So we got the barrel, got all new springs for it. I think it's ready to go. Here, I just finished this. This is the A5. I just put it together. Re-glued it, redid all the insides. That is a light 12.